Yeah, so I think the number one thing that most real estate agents would hate to hear is you're not currently living the lifestyle that you thought you were going to when you got your real estate license. I believe all of us, when the day we passed our real estate exam, we really thought we were going to be successful, make lots of money, live in a big house, be able to go on vacation, do what we want to do. And unfortunately, that hadn't been the case for a lot of real estate agents. If you're trying to learn from all of the things that are out there and download all this stuff and get on webinars and go to seminars and try this new thing, unfortunately, you're going to be spending more money than you're making. So that's really, I always tell all of the agents that I coach, you've got to get back to doing what is making you the most amount of money, right? So what's the most profitable thing that you can do? The last thing you want to do is sit around researching all day, sitting on your computer all day long, trying to figure out how to make money come out of it. It's not going to happen. Go back to your roots. Why did you get your license in the first place? You wanted to become successful. You got to step up and do that type of thing. The advantage is it does not take money to make money in real estate. That's the number one problem I hear for so many broke agents out there. They've got mounds of debt, their credit cards are extended, they have no money, and they say that's the reason I can't succeed, because I don't have any money to invest in myself. Well, you've invested $10,000 or $20,000 over the years and wasted all that money and it didn't work. You want another 10 grand to throw at that stuff where it's not going to make money for you? You got to get back to your roots and the reason you wanted to get licensed in the first place. You don't need a lot of transactions. 3 transactions a month is more than enough money for you to be extremely wealthy. But I got to tell you, I don't know how old you are as you're watching this, but you're going to need over $2 million in liquid cash in order to retire. Like, you cannot retire on 300 grand in the bank. How much money do you have? You need to make far more than your monthly expenses. You have to make money that you can put away, that you can start to look at some version of a retirement. And if you don't have $2 million or somewhere thereabouts, what are you doing? How long are you going to take this approach? You got to use free marketing that will generate immediate buyers and sellers for you. Motivated clients that are ready right now. I do a webinar every single week. Every Wednesday, we do a webinar on the top 3 approaches that you can use. There's actually 4 approaches you can use, but 3 of them are completely free. The other one costs you about $100. So, utilize that free stuff for you to go out and start making good money as a realtor. You don't need to do 10 deals a month. 3 extra transactions a month, 2 extra transactions a month can be a game changer for you. That's 24 more deals throughout the course of the year. What do you get, 10 grand a deal? Congratulations, you made an extra $250,000 from doing 2 deals a month. Even if you only get half of that, it's damn good money. We probably got a link somewhere here on the page or in the description or whatever for you to get registered for that Wednesday webinar. But look, the one thing most agents don't want to hear is your life may suck right now and it's not what you signed up for. This is not the dream that you had when you got your real estate license. It's your responsibility to fix that problem and ultimately start making the kind of money you wanted to make. So click the link here, wherever it is on the page, and get joined up. Let's get you making some money here. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it incredibly helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe link so you can get notice of new videos as we get them loaded. Additionally, you'll want to check out the description of this video for some additional links that'll help you with growing your business.